So you wanna beat the pacifist challenge in dead rails without losing your sanity? Let me guess you've been shot at, stomped on, and hunted like a rat in a maze, all while trying not to fight back. Good news? I've got the exact strategy to help you beat it fast, clean, and without firing a single shot. Let's break this down. First things first, mindset shift. This ain't about speed or aggression. It's stealth, patience, and smart movement. You're not the hero. You're a shadow. Got it? Step 1. Root knowledge. Before you even think about completing it, do a dry run. Learn every spawn point, every patrol pattern, where enemies chill, where the safe zones are. You're not playing the game, you're studying it. Step 2. Load smart. Don't bring weapons. Bring tools. Smoke bombs, flashbangs, distractions, anything that lets you move through, not fight through. If the game allows perks, take ones that boost stamina, stealth, or movement speed. You're basically a ghost in sneakers. Step 3. Timing is everything. Don't rush. Every enemy has a rhythm. Watch for it. When 2 guards pass each other, slip through. When one looks away, slide. Sometimes waiting 5 extra seconds saves you a whole restart. Now here's the trick most people miss. Distraction bait. If the map allows it, throw something, anything to redirect enemy attention. You're not here to fight, remember? You're a magician pulling attention away while you disappear down the tracks. Another hack? Ledge abuse. Dead rails is filled with terrain you can climb, crouch behind, or peek over. Use it. Verticality equals survival. Most enemies have tunnel vision. If you're above or below their line of sight, you're practically invisible. Midway through, things get messy. More enemies, less cover. This is where you slow down even more. Patience becomes your best weapon. Let them move. Let them pass. You move last. And finally, don't panic when spotted. If you get seen, don't mash buttons. Don't freeze. Break line of sight fast. Duck behind anything. Smoke out. Reset. Most pacifist runs fail because of panic, not strategy. Reach that last train car untouched, unseen, unbothered. That's it. You win. The challenge is complete. You beat the system without ever firing a shot. That's real power. So, yeah, you don't need bullets. You need brains. You don't need combat. You need control. And now, you've got it. If this helped, drop a Stealth King in the comments, hit that follow, and get ready because next I'll show you how to speedrun the hardest Dead Rails mission without taking damage.